We have a lot of schools have this particular machine, and I'm gonna show you some ways how we can clean it, how we can put it together, how we can use it for our slices and our dices. Hey, how about let's do it? So the first thing I'm gonna do, you need this attachment first. So put this at the bottom of the machine. So now I'm gonna find the 1/8 cut for slicing. Okay. So I'm gonna put this in right here. Now you will see the different grooves in. So let it slide all the way down. You can turn it, it should slide all the way down. And you will see that it clicks. When it kind of clicks, that's how you know that it's stable and it's on there. So the next part I'm gonna do is put the top part on. So this top part, I want to line this together. As I put this in, I'm gonna take this part right here and I'm gonna stick this straight through the hole. Alright, and so basically we have it ready to go. Now, this thing has magnets, so it's not gonna come on unless everything is lined up and everything is in a certain order. As you can see, I have this part, and I also have this thing right here. And this is to push things down, but in certain situations, this part would be a little bit too small to put, say, something like this in. Because after a while, that's not going to go through. So then, with that, I can just put this right in here. But if it's not lined up, when you push it down, it's not going to go. So now what I'm going to do is turn the machine on. See, it doesn't come on because it's not lined up. But once I put it down right here, and also it wasn't plugged up. So make sure you plug it up. So now I'll press go. It comes on. So I'm gonna put a bowl on here so you can catch it. And then I'm gonna put one of my squashes right here. As I put my squash in here, turn this thing on. Oh, let me cut this one off. Cut this little top part off. Put this in here. So now, as you see, it came out this way. So that's one of the things you have to really watch. Now, if I were to put it in like this, one thing about it just won't fit. So if you're doing cucumbers, that might be the perfect size to do your cucumbers. So let's try this again. On this squash, I cut it in half. I cut it in half so I can make sure I can fit it down the hole. This is a certain chop that I want to have. So I push this in, jam it on in. Whatever you do, do not stick your finger in this hole. As you can see, you come out with things like this shape. You come out in halves and everything else. Now, your blade can be bigger. You might look for blades that are 1/4 inch, so you can get a thicker cut. 1/8 inch will be a thin cut like this right here. So when you think about doing your cucumbers, you kind of decide what inch do you really want those to be. It's up to you. Make sure it looks pretty.